need more time to get things done, it's catch-up time days 13 and 14. If you are one of the people who likes to read ahead, you may want to get through the entire OFA challenge before you do any work on your business. And if you're one of the people who likes to play along, you'll probably want to implement every single OFA step just as is presented. In either case, you may be thinking this process for getting started with an online business is a lot of work. Or maybe you're thinking, I don't know how I could possibly think of so many different products for my one little idea. Or maybe you're thinking, I don't know if this is going to work for my business. There are many reasons why you may be wavering, but if you stick with the program, you're going to realize that the bigger picture being taught in OFA is foundational groundwork on marketing and selling that could save your business, could start your business and save your business. If you are an entrepreneur, you must conquer marketing, or at least be able to manage it. This is where you build your business every single day. And OFA can teach you the strategy and the tactics for creating a sales funnel, but you have to think about how to deliver it. You have to execute on how to deliver it. As you create the products for your business, believe in your ability to deliver value for your customers. You came up with your idea for a reason. You saw a problem that needed to be solved. Now you have an opportunity to offer your solution to as many people as possible. They're waiting for you. You just have to keep pushing through one product at a time, work through the details. Don't try and make it all perfect. Get it done. Learn what you need to do. If you stick with this process, it will not be your last funnel, but each time you create a new one, you will enhance your skills and improve every single time. So all the way through the one funnel array process, there are days where you can catch up, and there's probably a lot to do. You've got your one-time offers, your OTOs, plus your bonuses to think about. So this is the time to complete any product or activity, anything on your list that's still pending. Get all caught up. You should have your products now in your members area along with all your bonuses. Everything should be laid out, and just get that all done. And be ready to move on to the next step. Don't worry about falling behind. Just make sure you're systematically going through everything that needs to be done. As always, there are excellent videos to watch as part of your catching up process. Steve Larson has more wisdom on being an entrepreneur. Jim Edwards has great teachings on shortcuts for creating your frameworks. So you want to go through those as well. And just maybe you want to go back and listen to some of Russell's presentations just to make sure that you're understanding everything. But complete all activities on the results to date list, okay? And what does that look like? Your results to date, your flagship framework, your offer stack, your social media page and your posting calendar, your initial sales page from page 1, your order bump, your members area, and OTO 1 with all the products and the bonuses, all that. That's what you want to have finished up till now. You want to have it all together and all organized. Now, you might say, well, I'm waiting for, people to come back with stuff. That's no problem. As long as you have got everything in process, you've already ordered everything, you know what you're getting, you've at least figured out what all your products are. You want to be at least that far along, even if they don't, it's not completely finished, but at least you've got the everything thought through. And then your costs are whatever, your costs are up to date based on whatever you're doing with your products, if you're outsourcing or if you're actually doing it yourself. So again, any questions over these next 2 days when you're getting caught up, send me an email, reach out on social media, let me know what your questions are, and I'll see you in the next day.